I'm gonna have you do is take some deep breaths. So we're gonna, yep, there you go. You go poke.
So hey guys, I am going to get my lips done today. These are my lashes from SJ from Sienna. My face is like breaking out because I'm stressed, but because I have eczema. But I'm on my way to Quintessa to get my lips done, and then today I'm getting my nails and toes done, and then I am getting my hair done at 1 o'clock. So this is just a continuation of me trying to transform into a bad bitch for my birthday. I'm not even doing any freaking thing. The Mortal Kombat movie does come out today on my birthday, April 23rd, so I might just go do that. I really don't have any friends at all, like settle, and my family is coming over on Sunday for like cake and ice cream, and that's it. I probably am going to go to church tonight at 7 to 10. There's like a woman's resilient not like retreat, but like a group thing at Oak Creek Assembly of God, so I might go there because I really don't have anything else to do. I didn't make plans. I was supposed to travel for my birthday, and last minute that did not happen. So yeah, here we are. I just wanted to really feel good about myself for my birthday. I barely do like good things for myself or maintenance for myself, and I just wanted to feel my best, because when you feel your best, when you look your best, you start to be your best. Corny, I know, but true. So I'm gonna vlog the lip injections I'm getting. I believe it's called XL, which is different from the last time I got Juvederm. And I didn't like Juvederm because it dissolved way too fast for me. It didn't seem like it lasted 6 to 8 months at all. So I feel like they were lying to you, girl.
Okay, this is your consent form. It goes over all the scary things that we just discussed.
Gotcha.
Lumps, bumps, nodules, blindness, and tissue death.
Gotcha.
So you can sign there. Sign in your life away.
Consent form, consent form.
Yep. There you go. Thank you. And then I'm going to put this numbing on. You don't have any allergies to lidocaine?
Nope, no allergies.
All right. I'll put it on thick because nobody wants pain. So this is going to kind of melt into your lips. Don't worry if some of it gets in your mouth. It does. It's bitter. It's gross.
I know what happened last time.
Yes. So I'm going to give you some Kleenex for when you're numbing, and if you want to just spit into that.
Gotcha.
Because it's nasty.
Yeah.
But it's safe. You know, it's fine.
Right.
All right, my dear. I'm going to let you numb up, and we need to discuss price. The price is $5.99 for a syringe, and then you get $100 off.
Okay.
Because of your referral.
Okay.
All right. See you in a little bit.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So I'm just numbing. This is my eczema. My eczema is so bad. My cousin referred this place. I'm already loving it. I'm probably gonna come back, and I want to ask her about Kybella as well, because your girl needs something done right here. Well, she seems super professional. I love it here. It's nice, clean. Very informative. The first time that I went to get my lips done, they weren't as informative. I feel like she told me everything under the sun, and they weren't as informative at the other place. So yeah, My lashes are cute. Thanks, SJ. We're getting it together. Getting it together. I'm probably gonna get some hydrocortisone cream because, oh, hunty. All right, so I'm gonna let myself numb and then I will check back in with you guys in a little bit when I'm done numbing. So I'm starting to get pretty numb.
Then for stress balls, I have aggressive pants.
Okay.
So that's kind of, you know, because it does.
Right.
It's
a little bit, yeah.
But it actually, the whole process will go pretty fast. Let me get you nice and cleaned off. So I'm going to just use some Hiba cleanse here. Make sure your lips are clean. Any history of cold sores at all?
No. Perfect.
People that have that virus in them, when they get lip injections, it can kind of stimulate that virus. Alrighty.
Yeah, they're nice and numb.
That's a good thing. Alright, now this is kind of strong. It's alcohol.
Okay.
So I do like it when people close their eyes. I hate to say that when I inject, I just feel like it's when I inject you, I'm going to have you have really loose lips. So they're going to be slightly open. Just a little bit. I'm just touching you now. What I'm going to have you do is take some deep breaths. So we're going to, yep, there you go. You go full. The outline of the lips, vermilion. I want to get you really good structure here. So that when I thicken up that middle, it's going to encourage that because you're going to be numb here. Perfect. Next, breathe. Deep breath. So let's let that numbing kind of sink in there. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Measuring here. And here we go. And take a deep breath. Strong border. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's move on to your lower lip. So first I'm going to kind of thicken up on the outside, just kind of like what we did this side. And I want to just respect your pillow here, but we're going to put just a little bit in there, not too much. Nothing lashes are beautiful. Though. I've always admired the lashes. I'm we wear too much makeup. Eyeliner, you know. And I do rub them all the time. You know. But I like the look. So comparing this is just a pillow. Nothing fancy here. It's funny too, I think I've been on YouTube. Yeah. There's other people. I would never watch them. Alright, so now already. Yeah, now what I did with your filler is I put it in these little insulin syringes. So I'm gonna go top down.
Gotcha.
Okay. And just build in kind of some pillars, they call it. It's like a pillar technique.
Gotcha.
And I realize
yeah, a little short.
A little, yeah. I understand. That looks like you're more comfortable. Okay, relax. We're just thickening here. I'm not going to go into the middle because you've got that little bit of tissue. I don't want to accentuate that. Okay. But I want to get this thick and I want to get this thick. Okay. You're numb on the outside, so it shouldn't be too bad.
I wanted you, but I can't fuck with you cause you different, you can't play a part. No, yeah, hey, tell you the truth. I wanted you from the start, hey. I cannot fuck on no bitch, I can't love on no bitch, that's not playing a part, like, yeah.
So real quick, these are my nails. I don't really fucking like them. They look like Chick-fil-A. They're alright. The color was Coral Castle, Florida. That was the color. My nails, I mean my toes are the same color as this. I wanted a French tip and then he did this color with the French tip. Yeah, I just wanted something like more softer, feminine, and like more basic for my birthday, and this is what I got. Maybe they just have to grow on me. I don't know. I'm not used to having short nails. I'm not used to having basic nails, and yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just being a bitch or picky because it's my birthday, but my lips are looking good. Lashes are looking good. I have like 10 minutes to go get my hair done. I haven't washed my hair and I haven't washed the bundles. So yeah, let's see how that goes. I haven't eaten anything today at all since I woke up. I haven't eaten anything at all. I should probably get something to eat. Maybe when I'm like getting my hair done or whatever, I can order some food there. All right, I'm gonna go to the salon now where I work to get my hair done. I'm getting a sew-in. I have 4 bundles. I'm just probably gonna get a regular sew-in with a little bit of leave out. I'm gonna ask her if I need to dye my hair or dye the bundles because I did not do either one. We are off to a great start, aren't we? All right, so let's go. Bye. This is the sew-in that I got. Yes, hunty. With the lips and the brows and the lashes. I don't even have makeup on yet, girl. This is the best I done looked all year. So yeah, after, okay, so let's just recap. So the lashes were $145, the lips were $600, but I got $100 off because it was my birthday. My pedicure and nails were $85, and my hair was $145, but I gave her a tip. So what is that? That's $500, $6, $45, $85. I'm gonna put the grand total right here. So I'm gonna do lashes, lips, nails and toes, sewing, and this is the grand total what I spent to be an Instagram baddie. And then tonight I'm gonna do my makeup, and then that will be the final baddie B, you feel me? Which I'm gonna probably do like a get ready with me Instagram baddie, and I'll just insert like the last part of me being ready. This is so fucking cute. What? Bad bitch powers activated. I feel like a whole different person. Like, who am I? What? Stop playing with me like I ain't pressure. Stop playing with me like I ain't pressure. Wait, let's turn the light on real quick so y'all can really see. Let's get into it. What? Period. What? Let's get into it. Let me just look. I need the angles because you put what? My face is greasy, but she's so cute though. And I'm starving. I haven't ate nothing all day, and it's 5 o'clock. I took 3 bites out of a sandwich. So I'm finna clean up this mess, and I really ain't even about to do nothing but a video. And I want to watch Mortal Kombat tonight, and I'll probably get some tacos, and that's like it. And I gotta be here right back tomorrow to work. So yes, I love it though. What? I'm taking all the selfies. Well, y'all gonna be so sick of me. When she starts to love herself, y'all watch. Ow. Yeah, it's the curls for me. It's the everything for me. It's the me for me. It's the 30 look good on me for me. Okay. I really don't like my nails still, but this make it better. I should have just got them long. I don't like short nails. But yeah. With the diamonds on this teeth, girl. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Okay. Well, I will see y'all in a minute when I do my full face of makeup so you can see how the look looks all together. This my year. I'm coming for y'all bitches. Period. I'm gonna be the next best thing. Watch out for me on YouTube. Period. I'm next up. For real.